Well, here's a little nudge video for MOP in the Sound and Music number 6. Well, this particular MOP question follows up on some things you saw in MOP 5, which was focusing on resonance and standing waves, and now we're looking in particular at the kind of standing waves you get on stringed instruments, such as a guitar, a violin, or even a piano string. So they're going to ask questions like this, such as what is the harmonic number for this particular wave? So as I described in the previous video, guitar strings vibrate most prominently in what we call the first harmonic, and that's the one that looks like this. If we could see it, it has a big antinote in the middle and then a note at both ends. But in addition to that very prominent sound, there are some much more subdued sounds in the background of higher harmonics. All of them have something in common, and that is that they have a node at each end. So every time you add another, what is usually referred to as loops in our textbook, then that's one higher harmonic. So the second harmonic would look like this, and the third harmonic would look like this. So that means this harmonic is the fourth harmonic, and we could have even higher ones than that. So if this is the fourth harmonic, then how long is the wavelength? Well, let me draw out one wavelength for you. And we did this even in the previous unit on just waves in general. Every wave includes a complete crest and a complete trough. So I just, in red there, mapped out one complete wave. Well, how much of that string is it? Notice that's half the string. So if it's an 80 centimeter guitar string and only half of it is needed to make a whole wave, that means 40 centimeters for the wavelength. Now what we do sometimes with that is once we have the wavelength, then if we know what the frequency of that sound is, then we can figure out from the wave equation how fast waves travel on that string. So there's a lot of things we can do with this. This is just the first of several. So hopefully that gets you through not just this kind of question, but other questions you might find in MOP 6. And if it doesn't, you can always come and find me for some individual help.